Subtraction. Taking one number away from another. When you subtract numbers, decide whether to use a mental method, or whether you need to use the written method. Both methods use a number line to work out the answers. Mental method. Let's assume we need to find 92 minus 57 is equals to what number? Starting from lowest towards the highest number, let's calculate in steps. 57 onto 60 is 3. 60 onto 90 is 30. 90 onto 92 is 2. So, while adding these vales we get 3 add 32, add 2, is 35. So, 92 minus 57 is equals to 35. Now, let's try the written method. 143 minus 86 is equals to what number? Let's find out. Count on from 86 in steps. 86 onto 90 is 4. 90 onto 100 is 10. 100 onto 140 is 40. 140 onto 143 is 3. 4 plus, 10 plus, 40 plus, 3 is equals to 57. So 143 minus 86 is equals to 57. Let's try some examples to learn using the number line method for subtraction. 74 minus 38 is equals 38 onto 40 is 2. 40 onto 70 is 30. 70 onto 74 is 4. 2 plus 30 plus 4 equals 36. 81 minus 26 is equals 26 onto 30 is 4. 30 onto 80 is 50. 80 onto 81 is 1. 4 plus 50 plus 1 equals 55. 95 minus 67 is equals 67 onto 70 is 3. 70 onto 90 is 20. 90 onto 95 is 5. 3 plus 20 plus 5 equals 28. 125 minus 77 is equals 77 onto 80 is 3. 80 onto 100 is 20. 100 onto 120 is 20. 120 onto 125 is 5. 3 plus, 20 plus, 20 plus, 5 equals 48. 152 minus 76 is equals 76 onto 80 is 4. 80 onto 100 is 20. 100 onto 150 is 50. 150 onto 152 is 2. 4 plus 20 plus 50 plus 1 equals 76. 164 minus 95 is equals 95 onto 100 is 5. 100 onto 160 is 60. 160 onto 164 is 4. 5 plus 60 plus 4 equals 69. Now let's work out the differences between some pairs of weights. 94 minus 68 is equals to 68 onto 70 is 2. 70 onto 90 is 20. 90 onto 94 is 4. 2 plus 20 plus 4 equals 26. 81 minus 31 is equals to 31 onto 40 is 9. 40 onto 80 is 40. 80 onto 81 is 1. 9 plus 40 plus 1 equals 50. 154 minus 78 is equals to 77 onto 80 is 3. 80 onto 100 is 20. 100 onto 150 is 50. 150 onto 154 is 4. 3 plus 20 plus 50 plus 4 equals 77. 108 minus 75 is equals to 75 onto 80 is 5. 80 onto 100 is 20. 100 onto 108 is 8. 5 plus 20 plus 8 equals 33. 135 minus 27 is equals to 27 onto 30 is 3. 30 onto 100 is 70. 100 onto 130 is 30. 130 onto 135 is 5. 3 plus 70 plus 30 plus 5 equals 108. 171 minus 64 is equals to 64 onto 70 is 6. 70 onto 100 is 30. 100 onto 170 is 70. 170 onto 171 is 1. 6 plus 30 plus 70 plus 1 equals 107.